In this episode, we'll explore waterfalls, abandoned villages, and amazing little towns, and we'll even see some seals. So first off, we're going to Dornoch, a nice little town in Scotland, just off the NC500. Steeping with history, 13th century cathedral. Just a great place to have a little wander and get lost. From the town centre, we walked towards the beach, just followed the signpost, and eventually we wound up at a great beachfront. And of course, it's Scotland, so we had a great big open space with hardly anybody on it. The beach had car parking straight on the front and seemed to be disabled friendly, and there's a great little park for kids and even somewhere to get some food. It's also right by a golf course. It seems to be a bit of a theme in Scotland. That was Dornoch. A really nice town. Some great historical places to visit if you like a bit of history. Plenty of shops and restaurants and stuff like that. And really dog friendly. So we had a happy dog who's sulking that we're leaving. But now we're going to Loch National Nature Reserve, which is about 20 minutes away. And hopefully we'll see some seals and stuff like that. Let's go and find out. I didn't take the camera down, but you can walk down here at low tide and get quite close to the seals and actually have a decent look at them sort of laying around and chilling before heading back, dodging the mussels and oysters and heading back to the lay-by. Next up we headed to Big Burn Walk and followed the signs for the waterfall. It was a really cool forest, ticked a lot of boxes, and we saw like 2 people in the whole place. Wasn't sure what to expect as I hadn't googled this one, so just followed the walk and followed the signposts as we went. A bit of an intermediate because there's a lot of big steps, but if you can manage it, it was really worth it. I got a bit carried away and didn't really check for directions, and then we ended up almost going the wrong way, but I did spot a sign for something that I'd not heard of, but it sort of looked like it might end up back where we started, so we gave that a go. More steps. And there we found it, car park. Happy again. Next on the list is Brora Beach. Brora Beach? I don't know. Get it right one day. So we're on Brora Beach. And it's super chill. You can park right next to it for free. And there's no one around. There's a golf course behind us. And then that's the way we came from. That's the way we're going. It is a little bit fresh up here, but apart from that and the weird hairdo, highly recommend it. Go on, Bill. Go on. And now we're off to Helmsdale. It's a small fishing village with a surprising history. It was actually part of Scotland's gold rush in the 1800s. People still pan for gold in the river nearby. Some gold while we're there. Billy just found a couple of sticks. We didn't find anything else really. There is a little museum there if you fancy visiting it. It seems pretty good, but I wasn't sure if they allowed dogs, so we didn't bother. From here we headed to Badbea Clearance Village. This is one of the stranger places on the NC500 list. It's a cliff-top village where people were forced to live during the Highland clearances. Families were cleared from inland homes and made to survive right by the edge. Some even tied their sheep to rocks to stop them blowing off. Our final stop for the day was Dunbeath. We went up to Dunbeath Strath, which is Highland talk for valley. So we checked out the valley and had a really colourful walk to a broch, which seems to be like an old fort. So come with me and let's go and check it out. And that's it for day 2 of the NC500. See you next time.